Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023. We are going to take a look at the Ether to Tether at the daily time frame chart of Zondacrypto. So what do we have here? The first thing you can see on this chart is of course the bearish cross. 100 periods moving average, which is red, is crossing from the upside the 200 periods moving average. So this is a very important indication that the bears are in control of this market. The other thing is technical resistance. The technical resistance is obvious here. You can see it straight on the high from the October 2023. Located at 2131 tethers. So that's the technical resistance. There is one more local marginal high made at the level of 2139, which is why this is our very neat, very narrow zone of the supply zone, right, between these two levels. Now I got another level here, 2009. This is the technical resistance, and I got one more level here which is located at 1949. This is the technical resistance as well. So plenty of the technical resistance can be found here. Now the other one is located roughly around this level here, which is just above the bearish cross, 1809, and the newest one is located at the level of 1743. As you can see, we got this level tested, and then big bearish engulfing pattern on a daily time frame chart occurred, which means there is still a strong bearish pressure on the Ether, and the bears are in control of this market. Short-term trend line is located here. I will make it orange on the chart, and let me just remove the extension. There you go. So you can see it straight on. The local technical supports for this movement to the downside are located, of course, at 1570 and 1539. Let me just place this last one here. There you go. So this is the technical support for this market, and any violation of these two levels, and of course the violation of the orange short-term trend line, would likely extend the drop lower. Please notice that every time we rally, there is sooner or later bearish pressure. Then we want to go up, there is bearish pressure. We want to go up, bearish pressure, new low. We want to go up, bearish engulfing pattern. ABC to the upside was made here. This is very important as well, because the ABC movement is very often corrective movement, like the corrective cycle, because this is in 3 waves only. Okay, so what will happen if this level is violated? Most likely the level of 1378, which is quite important technical support, will be hit sooner or later. So the market of the Ethereum is basically under the big pressure. The bearish pressure is under the bearish control, and they want lower prices. Even if we do this kind of a trend line here, and this time we will extend the right end. Let's just switch the color so there is no confusion here. You can see that there was a breakout to the upside, but this was a fake breakout, and it was faded immediately, right? So right now bears regain the control over the Ethereum market and are pushing the prices lower. Please keep an eye on the trend line, on the technical supports, because any violation of these lines would likely extend the drop towards 1378. That's everything from me for now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.